Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the toucan fish in Abyss Roblox. So if your Abyss logbook missing that vibrant multicolor beauty, the toucan fish is one of the most unique species in the game. And in here, I'm going to show you what you need to get this catch. So the toucan fish is one of the fish that can be found inside the sunken vaults. So you can just go to this maps right here. You can use the teleporter, and once you're here, you can go out from the spawn, and in here you'll easily spot the toucan fish. So you can just shoot it like this and hover it long enough so you can successfully catch this epic tire fish. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.